grab a hold of your good luck bars, gently pulling to your waist. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there is no flash photography while aboard the tram. Por favor, no fotografia de flash, gracias. My name is Emily. I'll be evacuating you safely to Roosevelt Island. As you have heard, King Kong is on the loose and terrorizing New York City. You've been cleared for dispatch. I've switched the radio to the police emergency broadcast. Please listen in.
Number 1, your Delta Base, King Kong. Be advised, Kong is now heading from 59th Street Bridge towards City Limits. I repeat, from Bridge towards City Limits.
Good news, Kong is nowhere around and we should be safe.
Number 1, the Delta Base. Number 1,
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the danger seems to be behind us.
This is a WWOR special report.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are looking at footage taken near the Queensboro Bridge just moments ago, where a tram load of passengers narrowly escaped disaster at the hands of King Kong. As the tram traveled high over the East River, the mighty Kong attacked, causing it to fall and nearly plummet into the water below. At the last moment, the tram operator regained control, leading the stunned passengers to safety. This reporter salutes the bravery and courage of everyone on board the tram as they arrive safely at their destination.
This has been a WWOR special report.
You survived the 8th wonder of the world, King Kong. Look out behind you and in front of you, gently push up on your great left.